Myself, Vaishnavi from SNS College of Engineering in the Department of Information Technology. Now let us see about the list in the Python. So as we all know that list is nothing but a sequence of values called items or elements. So the elements can be of any data type. It can be a string or it can be an integer or any type. So similar to array, it is said to be a list, whereas the array will have only a similar data types, whereas the list can have any type of data. So the list is most versatile data type available in Python because which can be written as a list of items separated by comma. So between the square brackets. So the list will be usually defined with the help of square bracket and the data separated by comma. The lists are mutable, that is the elements in the list can be changed. Now let us see how to create a list. So in Python programming, a list is created by placing all the elements inside the square bracket which is separated by commas. So if it can have any number of items and they may be of different types, for example integer, float, string, etc. all together can be given in a single list. So there are two methods using list constructor and without constructors. So here we create empty list. It is named as the list name is my underscore list. So only the square bracket is given. It is a empty list. So second we have given 1, 2, 3, that is list of integers. And the third we give list with mixed data types. For example, 1 is an integer, hello is a string, and 3.4 is a float. This is said to be a mixed data types. And next is the nested list, that is we have a list within another list. For example, we have created a list. In that list we have another list 8, 4, 6, which is a list. So combining of these two list is said to be nested list. When it comes to constructor, we use that my list is equal to list function. It is created within the function. We will create the values. So this is about the constructor. As we have created the list, we will have that how to access the items in a list. Similar like an array, it can be accessed in several ways. Like index operator, it uses the index operator to access an item in a list. So as usual array, the index starts from 0. So as list having 5 elements, will have an index from 0 to 4. For example, if you take the example, it is list is equal to PROPE. So here we have 5 elements PROPE commonly called as a list with alpha. So we're going to print list of index position 2. So when it comes to the index position 2, we all know that the index begins from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4. Because the element is 5, so it index from 0 to 4. So the second element is nothing but O. It will print O. When it comes to a negative indexing, it print B because it begins from -1, -2 in the reverse order from the last element to the first element. So by using the index position, we can access the element. So the index operator is used to access an item in a list. As we all know, index starts from 0. So we'll have.
Hello everyone, title of our case study is Library Management System using Python. Effectively managing libraries collection, user accounts and operation crucial for providing seamless experience for both librarians and patrons. This library management system leverages the power of introduction to library management system. There are 3 processes: automated process, improved user experience, data-driven insights. In automatic processes, library management system handle tasks like cataloging, circulation and pattern management. Improved user experience, streamlined borrowing, returning and reservation workflow make the library more accessible. Data-driven insights, robust reporting and analytics, the capabilities providing librarians valuable data. Key features of library management system: booking catalogs, maintaining complex digital catalogs of the library collection including metadata, availability and location. Pattern management, securely store user information, tracking, browsing history and manage membership and access privileges. Importance of automation in libraries: efficiency, automate of repetitive tasks to free up librarians' time for more static and engaging work. Accuracy, reduce the risk of human error in data entry, inventory management and pattern records. Data driven. Gain insight.
Core functionalities: borrowing, returning, and reserving book. Borrow. Patron can easily search the catalog, select book, and check them out their account information. Return. The system automatically updates the book's availability status when the patron returns it. Reserve. The patron can reserve the book that they currently check out, and the system will notify them when the book is available. Core functionalities: borrowing, returning, and reserving book. Borrow. Patron can easily search the catalog, select book, and check them out their account information. Return. The system automatically updates the book's availability status when the patron returns it. Reserve. The patron can reserve the book that they currently check out, and the system will notify them when the book is available.
Patron registration. Securely store user information including contact detail and membership status. Access control. Implement role-based permission to restrict access to sensitive functionalities. Personalized account. Provide patron with a personalized dashboard to manage their borrowing history and account details. Inventory management and book cataloging. Book details. Title, author, ISBN, genre. Availability: in stock, checked out, reserved. Location: shelf number, room.
User generation and analytics, borrowing trends, user insight, user patterns. Analyze which books are most popular among patrons to optimize the collection. Gain variable data on your patrons such as their age, location, and membership status. Usage patterns, identify peak time and days to be allocated resource and staffs to. Conclusion and future enhancement. The library management system powered by Python, seamless critical library operation, improves the user experience and provide data-driven insight to optimize service. As the technology continues to evolve, future enhancement may include mobile app integration, self-checkout, and advanced recommendation algorithms.